Port Morley, Lay, and Hagen Madan, Goroka, Rabawa, Kimber, Waywak, Papua New Guinea. Listen. From your capital to the coastlands, from the valleys to the sea, there's a sound across the nation, like heaven breathing gently. Not a story, not a rumor, not a memory of the past. It's the spirit moving